Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Been on Amazon trying to find radios to review, and I ran across this radio, which I've already reviewed, but when I reviewed it, it was about $60, and now you can get it for $29. And this is not a bad beginner's radio. Has a lot of features. Let me show you if I can find a picture of the front. There we go. Um, I did a review of this quite a while back. Let me show you review. This is my review about a year ago, and I really like the radio. It's a great beginner's radio or an extra radio if you've been on shortwave listening already. It's AM, FM, shortwave, and single sideband. It's got the screen is small. It's a little out of focus because of my camera when I made this video. Um, it's not a touch screen. It does have all these buttons though: band up and down, volume, step size, bandwidth, mode, AGC, and a big tuning dial. The original, which was the ATS-20, had a problem with this tuning dial failing. And in the 20 Plus, they replaced that with a better one, and that problem was solved. Good reception, good audio. Um, the case back here is metal. This is fiberglass, the front. And the screen is tiny, but it's very, very clear and crisp. It's and it got a nice size speaker, about a 4-inch speaker, I believe. Does do RDS, kinda. There's not a lot of detail, but there's some information that comes out the screen as far as a FM station broadcasting RDS. It is capable of stereo, as it shows right here, via the earbuds. And now it's only $29. I mean, this is a terrific buy if you're just getting into shortwave, or even if you're an avid FM radio listener. It does come with a telescopic antenna, which is about 30 inches. You really, really need at least 20-foot long wire antenna for listening to shortwave. I think it shows, does this picture show the connector? Yeah, there's the connector on the back. It's got a BNC connector. The newer one, the ATS-20 Plus, has this USB port here, which is supposed to be for upgrading or changing the firmware. And then this one down here on the bottom is for charging the internal battery. You can't see it, but over on the other side of the antenna is the switch to switch for the various bands. It's a nice little radio. $29, very small. It's almost a portable radio because it has a built-in battery. Think about this. I'm loving this, that it's on sale for only $29 on Amazon now. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And have a great day. Bye-bye.